my first gig that I had was actually implementing an online parlor game site, Pogo.com, onto AOL, which was a huge hit. You know, poker and Slingo Bingo onto the AOL crowd is like crack. And so 2 weeks into it, we had 200,000 users. It was a pretty big success. I then leveraged that experience to get onto the production team for Majestic. Have any of you guys heard of this game, Majestic? Yeah, one. I think you were the only person that bought that game. So Majestic was this online thriller that was going to phone you, fax you, and do all this cool stuff. It was really trying to stretch that whole internet experience into the next generation of games. I still believe in that vision about what Majestic was trying to do. And the only problem was it was only you and me and my team of 20. So I was actually the live producer for that game. And that was also another interesting experience because Majestic didn't do as well as it was expected to do, and they canned it. And so there was a point where all of a sudden my entire team was gone because we either had to figure out other places for them within EA or had to let them go because the game didn't do well. And I remember sort of sitting there with my sort of, with my sort of core team. There was like 3 of us that had been, that were left. And going, what do we do next? And just feeling like this thing that we had worked on for so long, it was just gone. And this is sort of the lesson of entrepreneurism, is that basically that core team of us, we looked around within our company and sort of thought about what we could do next and thought about what opportunities might be untapped. And that's sort of where your entrepreneurialism starts. Within EA. And what we found was this thing called Lord of the Rings. And